Hello, this is Patience of Benago Technologies. Today I'll show you how to use the camera tool in Excel. Yes, Excel has a camera tool. It is used to take snapshots of different information, range of data, graph, table, whatever you want to take an image of. But these are not regular images. These are images that can update automatically. So join me, let me show you how it works. So the first thing is to go to where you have your camera tool and pull it out, right? So we don't have the camera tool displayed here. So you have to go and bring it out. So you go to your quick access toolbar, you click on the drop down here, click there, and you go to where you have more commands. So you click on more commands, and then it brings out where this popular commands. So you click on the drop down and go to all commands. Okay, so when you opens all commands, you select camera. All right, you select camera. So 1 second, it's coming up. So I have all commands here, so I just scroll down to where I have camera. Okay, so this is camera here. So click on camera, click add, and click OK. So there I have my camera tool. So now how to use it is this. So I want to show, it's just an example. I want to show salesperson, I want to show February and March, and I want to show total. So I want snapshots of those as what I'll be presenting to my colleagues. Okay, so I don't want to show all the information, but just bits of the data I have here. So what I can do is I can come here and just select this where I have salesperson, click here and click on my camera, and then I go to the sheet 1 where I want to paste it, and then you see out the tiny arrow cross. Just click once anywhere you want to paste it. So you can always adjust. I can always pull and adjust. Then I go back to the second part where I have February and March. So select the range of data, range of cells, and come to camera and come to sheet 1 and click again. Okay, if it doesn't want to click again, just click here. There's a pop-up, close that. Then I come to sales and I come to the last part, which is total. Let me select it again, and then click the camera and come to sheet 1 and then click here. Okay, so that's my total there. So I can always arrange it. So this is an image really, but the thing is you can always make changes, so I don't have to start all over again. So for instance, like I said, well, this is not Carol Bassi. I need to change it to, maybe the name is Fred Bassi. So I can come here and change to Carol, come to Carol and delete it and change to Fred. So once I come back to sheet 1, you see it will update to Fred by itself. Then this, which saves me time. So for instance, this is not 2000, so it's supposed to be 5000 of 5000 here. I come to sheet 1, you see it updates to 5000 itself automatically. So I can always make updates. It's an image, but it can update automatically. So not just, you can always take information from different parts of your Excel sheet, not just one Excel sheet. It can be another Excel sheet. You pull information from there, maybe a graph, you pull this from there and all of that. So you can use it like a presentation, like an Excel dashboard. So it's a very good tool to work with if you just want bits and pieces of information to display on a particular sheet, and then you can send it. You can even just print it out or use it as a presentation, whatever you want to use it for. Okay, so you can try it out. Okay, practice. Okay, please like, comment, share. All right, see you in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.